The Elroel Blanc Cover Cream Stick is genuinely one of the most remarkable complexion products I've ever used, and it has completely elevated my makeup routine in every way imaginable. From the moment I first opened the sleek, elegant packaging, I could tell that this was a premium formula crafted with both performance and versatility in mind. The texture of the cream stick itself is exceptionally smooth and luxurious, so velvety that it glides onto the skin with almost zero effort, effortlessly blending into the complexion to create a beautifully unified and luminous finish. What truly sets this product apart is its perfect balance of coverage and natural radiance. It offers noticeably impressive concealment of imperfections such as redness, dark spots, uneven tone, blemishes, and under-eye shadows, yet it never looks or feels heavy, thick, or cakey, even when layered for more coverage. I've been amazed at how comfortable it feels all day long, lightweight, breathable, and gentle, even on sensitive areas of the face, while still managing to stay intact through long hours of wear without fading, separating, or settling into fine lines. The creamy formula never pulls or drags, and the stick design makes application a breeze, whether I'm doing a full face at home or touching up on the go. It's radiant enough to replace a traditional foundation for days when I want a fresher, more natural look, yet versatile enough to act as a base under fuller makeup for more polished occasions. Another highlight is how beautifully it pairs with other products. It layers seamlessly with powders, bronzers, and highlighters without shifting, and it plays well with skincare underneath, adding to its all-around adaptability. What I appreciate most is how this cream stick enhances the skin's natural beauty rather than masking it, leaving a finish that feels like skin, just perfected. Whether I'm rushing out in the morning or prepping for a long event, the Blanc Cover Cream Stick consistently gives me confidence in my complexion, making me feel radiant, balanced, and put together with minimal fuss. In every sense, this product exemplifies the high-quality standards of elroelglobal.com, and it has earned a permanent place in my daily makeup lineup. Anyone looking for a reliable, flattering, and truly effective complexion stick would be thrilled to experience what this little makeup marvel has to offer.